Hello everyone, welcome back to the Python for the Beginner series. So today in this video we are going to cover about the sets. So in Python the sets is one of the collection data type like the tuples and the lists. The difference in the sets and other collection data type is it is unindexed. The set doesn't support the indexing of the values and it is unordered, that is we can add any elements inside the set once it is defined. Which in case of the tuple it wasn't supported. The key distinguishing feature of the set is that it does not allow the duplicate elements. So if you want to define the set, you can simply give the set name, which in my case I am giving it as a set1, and you give the curly braces and insert the values that you want to store in the set. So let me say I want to store the values like apple and banana, grapes. So these are the sets of the fruits. In the set you can also specify any of the data type inside this set. So it can hold the string, integer, float, boolean and any other data type. So if I simply print the type of this set, then you will be of course getting the set. Now if I print this set, then you will be getting whole of this set. Now if you want to add the another elements inside this set, then you can simply do it by using the add method. You can simply say set1 dot add and write the element that you want to insert inside this set. If I want to insert a strawberry inside this set, now if I print this, then you will be getting the new set1 with the strawberry inside. As you can see, it has inserted the strawberry inside this set. Previously I have told you that it doesn't support the duplication of the elements. So let me show you that. If I again add another element, that is apple, and print this, then as you can see it has only print one apple and it has removed the one duplicate element. So what if you want to add the list inside this set? You can simply do it by using the update method of the set. Let me say I have the list of the numbers 1, 2, 3. Okay, now what if I want to append this list inside the set1 directly? So you can simply do it by using set1 dot update method. So the update method will simply append this list to the set1. You have to specify the name of the list that you want to append inside this bracket. So I want to append my list. Now if I print the set1, then you will be getting the new updated set. As you can see, it has append this 1, 2 and 3 inside this set1. You can also simply remove the elements inside the set by using the remove method. So you simply give the remove method, and inside the remove method you simply give which element you want to remove. If I want to remove the apple here, now I print this. Let me see what will happen. As you can see, the apple has been removed from this set. So it is so simple to remove the elements in the set. Now what if you want to perform the union operation? So set of course support the union operation, so you can simply do it by using the union method, that is the built-in method in the set. If I give the another elements inside the set, let me say orange, let me say papaya. Okay, now if I want to perform the union, then you can simply do it by using first set name, use dot union method, and inside this union method you pass the another set name, that is set2. So what this does is it will perform the union operation between set1 and set2 and simply store the value in this new set union. So let me say let me print this, and let me first clear out this terminal, and if I run this, so you will be getting here the new union set. Okay, Now you can also perform the intersection operation. So the intersection will simply store the duplicate values or the common values in between the two sets. Let me remove this apple here from here and paste it here. Now if I want to perform this intersection operation, let me say common items. Now if you want to perform the intersection, then simply give the first set name set1 dot and write intersection update and give the second set name. Now if I print common items and run this, it is giving none here because intersection update method will update this set 1. Okay, so you simply remove this underscore update and see what will happen. So it is giving apple, right? So the dot intersection method will be used to store the common elements in the new variable, but if you write dot intersection update, then it will update the set 1 and only store the common elements in between the set 1 and set 2. So that's it for the set. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe.